This winter, the chilly mornings aren't going anywhere soon, so you'll want to take care of your HVAC system so that it will take care of you. From energy savings to home safety, our next guest is all about making sure your home is ready for the year ahead. Big Mountain Heating and Air offers services to help keep homes warm, safe, and running smoothly so you can focus on enjoying 2025 in total comfort. Here to help us start the year off right is Baron Larson of Big Mountain Heating and Air. Baron, Happy New Year. Glad to have you.
Happy New Year to you. We got to keep saying that.
Gosh,
How long?
yeah, you know, I think for a little while longer at least.
There you go.
Okay, so Baron, I mean, speaking of the new year after year, you make sure we know that the biggest reason for the typical AC or furnace breakdown is caused by dirt. Isn't it just enough to keep the filter clean? And I know you have a video kind of showing otherwise.
Yeah. You know, breakdown is a big deal.
Yeah.
But there's a lot more to it than just the breaking down of the system. You know, the comfort that you mentioned.
Yeah.
The cost of operation. Actually, the safety too.
Yeah.
And again, the comfort side of it. But you know, you're seeing all this dust going through in this little clip here that's showing what it is like in a typical heating and air conditioning system when you turn it on. The air's moving through the house. It's taking dirt that's collected in the house. Average 40 pounds collects a year.
Yeah.
And then when you turn it on, it moves all that through it, and it affects those four things just from your heating and air system: comfort, cost, health, and safety.
Oh my goodness.
It's a big deal.
So tell us, how much does the average homeowner run their heating and air system within a year?
It's 3,000 hours when you combine the running of the furnace and the air conditioner.
Yeah.
And of course, our service that we offer here is a 2-for-1, so it includes the air conditioner. You know, that kind of stuff
Builds up.
builds up. That therein is the health side of it. And if you got a dog and a cat maybe in your home, you've seen what a blower motor can look like when it collects that cat and dog hair.
Yeah.
So it's a big deal, much bigger than most people think.
Yeah.
They just don't even think about it until it's not working.
To your point, out of sight, out of mind. So we want to make sure we're taking advantage of that. Does Big Mountain Heating and Air offer a more aggressive way to clean the air in our homes, Baron?
Yeah, when we're talking about the health side of it, you know, a lot of people, you see, that's an example of that's a cigarette smoke blown into a box, turning on an electronic air filter, bam, that's what happens. I have a couple in my home, as I mentioned. And it's really dramatic.
So this is the aggressive cleaning you provide at Big Mountain.
Just one of them.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's very cost effective. I mean, it's not an expensive item. And if you're really in need of taking care of the air quality in your home, we've got a lot of options we can customize for you. And so I suggest call us out for the 2-for-1 rejuvenation, special price. And ask them, you know, what if that's something that's big to you. And
say someone does call, how long does the 2-for-1 service take the technician at Big Mountain Heating and Air to perform when they come out?
Yeah, thanks for asking on that, because it's 2 to 3 hours. You know, most folks that have had a furnace tune-up or an air conditioner tune-up only have found out that, you know, they don't know what's going on out there. And then 30 minutes later, they come in and they're maybe getting, if they can't sell you something, so often they're sales gimmicks, these tune-ups. But we are actually doing a ton of work at your home as we perform this service. And it's our way of gaining you as a customer for life. Yeah. If we can prove to you that we're different and it's not a sales gimmick and you really benefit from it, and it's at a loss leader price for the first 10 calls.
Yeah, I was going to say, I saw in the video it said wide variety of financing options, and to that, you offer a special offer to our Your California Life viewers for the first 10 callers. Tell us what that special offer is, Baron.
Yeah, it's the only place we offer this price point, $69 to the first 10 callers. Give us a call at that number, 378-4664. We guarantee you're going to save more than double the cost of the service easily over the course of the year in your utility savings. And if you have a problem with the unlikely event, we can offer this guarantee too. It's free. If you do have a breakdown, give us a call. the service is going to be free.
There you go. You heard it from Baron himself. Baron, always a pleasure having you on the show. And to our viewers, I'm going to let you know where you can go for a little bit more information. Turn up the heat. Head over to bigmountaineer.com for details on all of their heating and air services.